Williamsburg is the epicenter of what we know to be Brooklyn today. This was the start of where the hipster movement is, and now you see giant skyscrapers throughout the entire area. Join me as we see a one-of-a-kind homes in the middle of all the action. Let's peek into this home. Hey, come on in. Hey, come on in. Thanks for joining me. Cheers. So we're standing in a special apartment. This home is located in South Williamsburg, arguably one of the best neighborhoods in Brooklyn. This home is a condominium, which has 1,400 square feet on the interior and over 600 square feet on the exterior. This condominium has 6 units in total on 3 stories. But first, let's talk about this outdoor space. And please stay all the way to the end because I'm going to show you something amazing, one of my most favorite features of this project. So first, let's talk about this outdoor space. The owner added this pergola, which was not here before, which is really great for entertaining on the outdoor, and especially a day like today, which is really hot. You can actually close this up to have additional shade. Excellent. Then you have this custom-built outdoor kitchen. Mahogany exterior, propane grill, and a third seating area, which is really great if you want to get away from the sun and have some shade in an intimate space. And if that wasn't enough, the owners added this sliding glass door to give you an indoor-outdoor experience. Come check it out. So when you want some privacy and you want to get out from the elements, you just slide it, close, and voila, you are now on the interior of the house. So as I said, the interior is over 1,400 square feet. This is a large open concept living room. You have space for your living space, dining area, and this beautiful, gorgeous kitchen. This owner added more storage. Although there was already so much storage throughout the entire kitchen, they added this island. These days, most people like to cook and entertain with friends, and this not only makes it a great entertaining area, but also it has so much more storage. And for any kitchen lover, you want as much storage as possible. You have Caesarstone countertops, beautiful high-end appliances throughout as well, which includes a Miele dishwasher, a 5-gas burner Bertazzoni brand with an oven. And check out this massive fridge. It's huge. For New York City, it's huge. Most fridges are half the size. And it has a double freezer as well with an ice maker built in. Most of the apartment faces east onto that patio. This bedroom, the primary bedroom, is large. You can easily fit a king-size bed in here. And my favorite feature of this space is this closet. There's 3 of them, enough for most people. And if that's not all, check out this ensuite primary bathroom, which is large. It has an oversized sink with 2 faucets. The owner added additional storage spaces throughout the bathroom, and it has this unique integrated shower and tub combination. Let's check out the other wing of this home. This apartment also has a pantry, a washer dryer, and it has 2 more bedrooms side by side, and in between there is a bathroom. Let's check out this bedroom first. This is a generous bedroom, currently configured as a children's room, but it can easily be made as another bedroom or a work from home situation. It has these 2 closets over here, and you are facing the patio. This one also has private access to get out to the patio as well. Heading over to the other side, you can see the bathroom. The bathroom is a 3-fixture bathroom. It has a floating vanity, a deep soaking tub, and rain shower. And on the other end is the other bedroom. Now this other bedroom currently has a desk that's actually in front of the door that overlooks South 3rd, and it has a balcony on the other end. This is another room that can be used in multiple ways. It can be another bedroom, like so. It can be a fitness room, or it can be a meeting room, the way it's configured right now. And friends, thank you for staying all the way to the end. I want to show you my favorite feature of this apartment. The one truly unique thing that makes it stand out from everything else. Right connected to your house is your own garage. This is a large space. A great space to put all of your storage, to bring in your car comfortably, and it's in the heart of Williamsburg, Brooklyn. And for all of my electric vehicle fans out there, this garage also has its own charger already installed. So imagine that. You can come in here and go right into your home. So what do you think? Can you see yourself living in this apartment? If so, let me know in the comments below. And should you have a modern or architecturally stunning home, let us know, as we would love to feature it on this channel. My name is Mickey from Undivided, and we'll see you next time.